I'm sitting in front of me Doogee S98 and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So let's first open once again the Muviz Edge application. Let's open it, and now I have selected this stem, so let's use another one. Just click here to apply. We can switch here the backgrounds of the stem, so let's use this one. Also we can here change the color of this moonlight if you want, so we can use just for example this one. Also we can change here the music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can turn on also notifications from different apps. We can turn off or turn on the date to show it on the lock screen, and the battery status always while the device will charge, and or just to don't show it. And here also we should switch AD to the settings section, click to the Always On Display, and now we can change here to show AD on lock screen always while they was charging, and we will play the music. Also we can use these two features separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can increase or decrease the brightness level, and also we can close AD by double or single tap on the lock screen. And also if you use for example the fingerprint unlock method, you can also close AD with a fingerprint, or if you want you can set a schedule the start and the end time to show the Always On Display. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.